Hello and welcome back to the channel.
We've got an important delivery to make, but first let's go for a walk.
While we're up here, I just want to clear something up. So Claire's not going to show you her hair, are you?
No.
She's not taking her hat off for the whole of this vlog. And the reason for that is that Claire decided to go from a lovely blonde colour on her hair
At Christmas.
to red for Christmas, didn't you?
Yes.
What happened?
Well, it didn't quite go to plan, and then it faded a lot, so then I had to get it done. So I had to go to the hairdressers to correct my mistake, and it's not quite turned out to plan. So just think candy floss. That's what the top of my head looks like. But I'm not going to show you because it's embarrassing.
It's bright pink. Okay, so you're going to tell people where you are, Claire?
Yes, we are at Curbar Edge in Derbyshire. Just look at this view.
So we're back at the van and find myself in a rather embarrassing situation, being as we're going out to dinner at a pub tonight. I fell in a bit of a swamp and my jeans are completely wrecked. The only change of trousers I've got in the van are my lounge pants. And Claire says, what about your shoes? Have you got your flip-flops? No. I've only got my brown shoes. So I go into a pub wearing this top, lounge pants and brown shoes. So Claire, what are we doing next?
Well, as some of you know, we had a little giveaway a little while ago, and we are here to deliver the All Powers. And there it is. Right,
come with us and see who's won. You got Lily and Tessie there in their little sacks. They're going to do the sack race. They also got covered in swamp water. And they've got an excuse, they're dogs. Right, okay, so we are here. This van belongs to the winners. We're going to go and knock on the door and we're going to go and give them their prize.
Oh, it's exciting!
I hope they're in. Shush you, we're going to see people. Hello, how are you doing? Not bad, thanks.
Oh,
See, go do the prize.
Thank you very much
Well
indeed.
done.
Fantastic,
Thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you. Come on in, come on in.
We had such a great evening with these guys that we didn't actually get round to filming anymore. But please do check them out on Instagram, Jan and John's Journeys. Please also check out the pub because it's a cracker. We did film one slight thing on the way back to the van, so the guys wanted to see how my extendable pole worked, so I gave them a little show. So, good morning. Yeah, we didn't film in the pub last night because we were having so much fun, and sometimes when you're with other people, you just want to enjoy the moment rather than film. But I'll just let you know where we're staying. So we stayed at the Anchor Inn near Tideswell. There's Claire. You are Claire?
Hello.
Been for a walk with the dogs?
Yeah, took dogs for a little walk. It's a lovely day.
Found anywhere nice to take them?
Well, that goes on for miles down there.
I think there must be a farm around though, because it smells like poo.
Yeah, there's a griddle thing.
I could smell cow poo, which actually, when you're out in the country, I quite like that smell. You don't like it, do you?
Nah.
But it's like the smell of the country, isn't it? But yeah, this is the pub.
Tessie wants to go to the pub.
Tessie wants to go to the pub, as you can see. So they're not open for breakfast, but we had a great meal in there. I had a lovely chicken burger. Tessie's trying to knock on. Tessie, you can't go in, darling.
It's closed, darling.
You can't go in. You can't go in.
Oh, it's a lovely pub.
But yeah, if you're in this area, come to this pub because, like I say, we had a lovely meal and their hospitality is great. They've got a roaring fire. It's really cosy in there. And the manageress, right? Is it Serena or Venus?
Serena.
Serena. So yeah, Venus Williams. So she reminded me. She said her name, if you want to remember it, she says it's one of the Williams sisters. But then I forgot whether it was Serena or whether it was Venus. But it's Serena. Lovely lady, fantastic hospitality. Mad as a box of frogs. Talks for England. But yeah, if you want somewhere to stay in this area, the Anchor Inn. Fantastic. Oh, that was a lovely weekend, wasn't it?
Yes, I really enjoyed it. It was a lovely weekend.
Yeah, we had a lovely time with you, Jan and John. Really enjoyed your company.
Yeah, they were really easy to talk to straight away because I always worry about meeting new people and
yeah.
You know, I get a bit nervous and we wouldn't have something to say, we'd have everything in common. But they were just lovely. We laughed so much and had such a lovely chats with them. Really, really nice.
And I tell you what, we got our eye on your motorhome, so make sure you put a wheel clamp on it when it's parked up. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. We have also got something else to celebrate, haven't we, Claire?
We have.
We have. So, what milestone did we get to?
We reached 3,000 subs.
3,000 subscribers. That is absolutely amazing. Absolutely blown away. And a quick fact for you: 3,000 subscribers is roughly 3 times the amount of people that support Milton Keynes Dons. So that is amazing achievement. Couldn't be more chuffed.
Really appreciate every single sub. Thank you for watching. Thank you for keeping subbing to us, and yeah, I hope we still entertain you and you still enjoy it.
Thank you for all of the support. Just to let you know, we probably will be away from this channel for a few weeks now because we are going back to New York, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
So there will be some videos on our other channel, Do Littles Do More. But if you are missing us on here, and if you are missing our campervan adventures, and you've only recently found us, do have a look at our back catalogue because we've got over 300 videos now, so you might find something that you might like. Yeah. Fantastic. Well, anyway, we're going to go and we will pick you up when we are back.
Yeah, for now, Doolittle's done.